You've probably been there. You spend hours tailoring your resume to finally hit apply, and then within minutes, an automated email tells you they've decided to move in a different direction. It feels personal, but here's the thing. It's likely a human never even saw your application in the first place. In today's job market, nearly 99% of Fortune 500 companies and the vast majority of mid-sized businesses use an applicant tracking system, or ATS. A digital gatekeeper designed to filter the noise so recruiters only have to review the top-tier candidates. At Tiggbee, we believe the biggest hurdle between you and your dream job shouldn't be a computer algorithm. That's why today we're breaking down exactly how these systems work. We're going to build a resume that is designed to be read, ranked, and respected by any AI filter. By the end of the video, we'll have transformed your resume from a static document into a high-performing data set. Let's get to work. Phase 1, how the parser actually works. Before we type a single word, we need to understand the parser. When you upload a resume, the ATS doesn't see your beautiful layout or your custom icons. I know, it's unfortunate because a lot of the times we want to find the beautiful formats to make us stand out. But the reality is it strips everything away and converts your resume into a plain text file. This is where most people lose the battle. If you put your contact info in a header or a footer in Word, many parsers will simply ignore it. To the AI, you literally have no name or no phone number. And if you use a table to list the skills, the parser often reads it left to right across the rows, turning your experience into a garbled mess. This is why we recommend a single column rule. It might look plain compared to some templates you see online, but we aren't writing for humans yet. We're actually writing for the machine that grants access to the humans. We also need to talk about keyword matching. The AI is looking for specific terms found in the job description. If a job asks for customer relationship management and you wrote CRM, some systems might not even make that connection. We're going to show you how to bridge the gap without keyword stuffing. Phase 2, the Tiggbee master template. Let's start the build. Follow along as we structure for maximum readability. Step 1, the header. Put your name at the very top in a clear, bold font. Underneath, list your phone number, a professional email address, and your LinkedIn URL. Make sure your LinkedIn link is clean. Just put your name, no long strips or random characters. Step 2, the professional summary. Move away from old objective statements. Companies don't really want to know what you want. They want to know what you can do for them. Write 3 impactful lines: your title and experience, your biggest achievement, and the value you bring. Here's an example. Project manager with 8+ years of experience, delivered 15+ high-scale infrastructure projects on time and 10% under budget. Expert in Agile and Scrum methodologies. Step 3, the skills matrix. This is your SEO of your resume. Focus on hard or technical skills, not just soft skills. If you're in sales, include lead generation, Salesforce, pipeline management, and contract negotiation. Use a clean bulleted list of 9 to 12 skills so the parser picks them up immediately. Phase 3, the experience section and the power of data. This is the most common mistake people make. They list responsibilities instead of results, which turns a resume into a job description. To stand out, transform duties into achievements by using a simple formula: action, verb, task, and quantifiable result. So instead of just saying manage social media accounts, say grew company's Instagram and LinkedIn presence by 40% in 6 months through a data-driven content strategy. When AI sees numbers like 40% in 6 months, it flags you as result-oriented. These systems are designed to look for measurable impact. Also, choose strong action words. Avoid passive phrases like helped or worked on. A lot of people use those words. Use words instead like spearheaded, optimized, negotiated, or implemented to sound more authoritative and rank higher. Phase 4, the final audit. Take the job description and review it closely, and then paste it into a word cloud generator. The most repeated terms are what AI prioritizes. If key terms appear frequently there, but rarely on your resume, adjust accordingly. Then do a technical sweep. Avoid graphics that confuse the system. Stick to standard fonts like Arial or Georgia, and name your file strategically. Use something like your full name, job title, resume, instead of a generic file name. This process, I know, can feel like jumping through hoops, But remember, the AI is just the first hurdle. Once you pass it, you've already beaten most of the competition. Now you're on the recruiter's desk, and because your resume is clean and data-driven, you'll stand out there too. If this helped you understand the digital gatekeeper just a little bit better, then hit that like button and we can help reach more people navigating the same challenges. Subscribe to join the Tiggbee community for more insights into the modern world of work. We believe in your potential. Thank you so much for watching. And now go get that interview, and we'll see you in the next video.